Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to demonstrate my recreation of Patrick Ta's glam on the beautiful Jenna Dewan Tatum for this year's Vanity Fair Oscar Afterparty. I was obsessed with her look, you guys. From her outfit to her hair to her makeup, all of it just tied together so perfectly, and she just looked stunning. And I thought it would be a great look to recreate, breaking it down step by step. Alright, let's get started, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. First, to prime my eyes, I used the NYX HD Concealer in the shade 3.5. I'm just applying this with the wand that it comes with, making sure to cover all the areas before buffing it out with a brush. Going in with the Jaclynhill palette, I'm using this light brown color all over my crease, blending it upwards to my brow bone. Next, I'm using this shimmery gold color and packing it on all over my lid using a flat brush by Morphe. Using a more tapered brush, I'm applying this darker shade of brown on my inner crease, right where my lids naturally fold. It helps to look down to keep the concentration of this color right on your natural crease. Now I'm just blending out the edges, making sure the colors we've applied look diffused and seamless. Reaching into this shimmery nude shade, I'm going to apply it right on the center of my lid to really help make my eyes pop against the first gold shadow that we first applied. Now comes the mascara, using my favorite by L'Oreal. Before applying, I curled my lashes off camera. Starting from the root and brushing upwards, making sure that we covered every single hair. I decided to use these lashes from Layeredcosmetics in the style So Cute. Making sure that your lash glue is tacky, you want to go ahead and look down when applying your lashes. This helps you place the lashes right on top of the hairline, avoiding contact with your existing lashes. I know for many of us that could be the problem when putting lashes on, and this little tip just always helps me put it on super quick. And now, finally, it's time to do my eyebrows. You guys, my eyebrows do not grow, okay? So every day I have the constant struggle of filling in my brows before I leave the house. And I cannot believe that I filmed this whole video without shading in my brows first, but I figured if you're gonna get to know me, you gotta know the real me. I will film a full detailed tutorial on how to shade in your brows. I just didn't do it for this video because it's gonna take way too long. Besides brows, concealer is another thing that I never leave my house without because it's not nice for society. However, I decided to let all of it go for the sake of this video so you guys can really see how I cover my face. Over here, I'm just going in with some of my favorite skincare products to properly prep my face before we apply the foundation. Using these illuminating products really help give your skin that natural, radiant, and skin-like texture that you really want out of your skin after you apply your foundation. under-eye bags. I am so happy to see that go. Finally, concealer is on and my under-eye bags are gone. And you guys, this ColourPop concealer is actually really good. I think it's only like $4 or $5, but it does the job pretty well. Going in with my favorite contour powder, I'm using the middle shade of the Anastasia palette, and don't ask me why I hold my head like that. It's just something I've noticed that works for me, and it really helps me find my natural cheekbones since it's deciding to hide right now. So just applying this all over the face to really give it some dimension and deepen up the outer areas. I really like pairing liquid highlighters with pressed highlighters. I just feel like it just gives it that pop that I desire, and I'm obsessed with highlight. No highlight is ever too much for me. I don't think we're done yet. I think there's still room to glow some more. What do you think? Now, when it comes to applying a red lip, it's really important to apply setting powder around your lips. This just helps it not bleed, and it really helps keep the red lip in place. I know it's the most annoying thing when your red lip is just like bleeding through the cracks of your lips and onto your face. When you apply a setting powder around your lips, it just kind of helps hold everything in place, and it makes it long lasting too. So guys, that's the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love a like and a comment, maybe a subscription too. See you guys next time, and here's me being extra as